Organizational change appeared due to different drivers. Change situations are often characterized by complexity, leading to uncertainty for employees, which often will create resistance towards the change. Therefore, change management can provide a set of different ways to manage organizational change on all levels. Pandora is a big jewelry company located in Glostrup in Denmark, known for their bracelets, earrings and necklaces. The driver for the POSM change project is the relocation of the warehouse of Pandora from Glostrup to Hamburg in Germany. The warehouse contained points of sales material, which is interior, used in the boutiques of Pandora. The business purpose of the change project is to increase efficiency of European point of sales material project in 3 different ways. To reduce process, transport and warehousing costs, to reduce risk arising for poor process such as major stock write-offs, and to improve the service level both actual and perceived from the markets. The POSM project is divided into 3 stages, basically meaning that the activation of the Hamburg located warehousing facility is carried out in 3 phases. Phase 1, which was carried out in the end of March 2015. Phase 2, which was carried out in the end of May 2015, and Phase 3, which will go live in August 2015. From the analysis of the change project, it is concluded that changing an IT working procedure requires a big amount of training, which was indicated in the survey. There is a misalignment of communication between change agents and employees towards the requirement after the change implementation. For Pandora, it is therefore recommended to improve the employees' possibility of receiving training before organizational change and a new working procedure are executed. For institutionalize a feedback mechanism yielding a better overview of attitudes towards organizational change.